Welcome back to Magical Mayhem. Today let's learn how to make a quick sword. So let's learn how to make a sword. I really am digging these chrome balloons, so I'm starting to use them a lot more. I'm thinking of actually just getting rid of all my other colors and just sticking with the chrome. There isn't a whole lot of choices right now, not as many as with the normal colors, so may have to hold that off, but it's a good idea. So I don't inflate the whole balloon, I don't use it all. Underinflate. But hand's width, one bubble like that, followed by 2 pinch twists. 1, 2. Pinch twist number 1 comes undone. Let's do it over. Pinch twist number 2. What I like to do is I like to run this bubble right through the center of the 2 pinch twists. There. So now we're going to make another bubble this size right here, and we're going to tie it off. I just like to run that nozzle right through the center, that way it doesn't come undone. Once or twice how to do it, like that. Squeeze the air down, that soften it up, make it easier. Now we're just going to do 2 bubbles, same size. So you're going to end up something like that. This part here, we're just going to get rid of it. Don't need it. I like to just snap it off, just like that. Now here we can tie it off. I double tie it. Sometimes it makes it a lot easier, that way it doesn't come undone on you. So you got something that looks like this. We'll come back to that here in just a moment. Now for my second balloon, it's fully inflated. It is softened though, that way you can work with it. Squeeze the air down off the nozzle, fill it all in. I find the center of the balloon right there and twist it a couple times. So what we're gonna do is just one big braid. Yeah, what I do is I go up, as I go up, I'll realize that one's shorter and I pull on it to stretch it out, and then it comes out fairly even. And just 2 bubbles at the end. I run one through the center, just like that. So we got this end, make sure your camera's picking it up, and then we got that at the this is the bottom. Now we go back to our first one. This is going to be the handle. So here, what we'll do is we'll split this. What I do is I spread it apart, and then with my thumbs, I bring them together. So spread, bring it together, and then I just twist it. If you want, you can bring this little nozzle piece here, the one you broke off, and then just tie it in there so that way it doesn't come undone on you. So we're going to take this piece, the 2 bubbles, we're going to set them right in there. Just like that. Way to do that is you just bring one down, and the trick that I found is as you move this one in or down across, you kind of move this out of the way, so that way it makes it a lot easier for you. It's a lot easier to explain it than it is sometimes to show you. My hands get in the way. And once you've done that, you're going to have a bubble on the other side from this balloon. One bubble here, one loop here, bubble, and then the other loop. So this is the handle, and that's the sword here. There, I'll show it to you real close up. That's the sword part. That's the handle. So you put that right in the center, and you notice how these sit right across here where the crease is at. Then the bubble, and this one's right across here. And there it is. One giant sword. Before you know it, you got kids having their own sword fights. So the thing with swords is, they're great, the kids have a good time, but there's always that one adult, and it's usually a guy, that wants his sword and he wants to battle the kids. Give him 2 swords. So once the kids find out that he's the fun guy, he's going to be attacked by everybody. Give him at least a fighting chance. So at least with 2 swords, he can defend himself a little bit better. So hopefully you guys will use that. I love the chromes. The chromes just make it all the difference in the world. I'll have to update you on what I decide to do with my bag with the chromes. There just isn't enough colors to really just carry chromes only, unfortunately. But we'll see. Next video, we'll see what I can do. So hopefully you guys found that informative. If you did, give me that thumbs up and be sure to share with your friends. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. And remember, keep it amazing.